In this video, we're going to take a look at surface waves, standing waves, reflection, and compression within a lake. So here you'll notice waves being emitted by the duck's first step into the lake and by the duck swimming. You'll notice that circular waves are being emitted from the source, which is the duck. There is a bit of disturbance as the duck isn't making its way in as clean as possible. And just watch as the waves spread out through the rest of the lake. Here's a clip of the same thing, just a different duck, where you can see some reflecting back on the boundary, which is where the water meets the land. And here's my third clip of basically the same thing, except this time we're going to look at the waves continue out. And the previous waves made by previous ducks aren't combining deconstructively or constructively or taking over one another. Instead, they move at the same pace. And the only thing that would change the speed the waves are moving at is if the frequency source would emit waves at a different pace. And in this clip, you're going to notice that as the duck moves forward, it looks like waves are closer to them at the front and further from the back, and this is called compression. And this duck approaching is another really good example of compression. So take a look at the waves in front of the duck, behind the duck, and the circle that's being created from the duck as the source. If you didn't know already, water waves are surface waves, and the particles move with circular motion. Right here, we're taking a look at the waves reaching their way to the boundary, which is where the water meets the land, and being reflected off almost at the same time, which produces a standing wave, as you can see.